Hello guys, this is Vivek Singh and today I'm going to show you Jio internet speed test. So I'm connected with my hotspot with my devices. My device is Redmi Note 3 for now. So let me open the Chrome and I'm going to speedtest.net. So here as you can see that Jio network. So it's a Jio network and I'm from Kolkata. So here you can find it, Kolkata. So let's check out the speed. Right now it's 8 p.m. in the evening. So here we get the download speed of around 8 Mbps to 9 Mbps. It's exact 8.39 Mbps and the upload speed is, so here you can see again I'm connected with the same network and upload speed is 0.59 Mbps. Actually I'll get more than that upload speed. Right now it's showing only that particular speed, that is 0.59 Mbps. So I'm testing it again second time and I can be sure about the speed test. Here we get the download speed of 9.29 Mbps and there is a myth that if you connect to a VPN then you will get the high speed. So I don't know this myth really is correct or not, so let's try it out. If we connect to a VPN service then it will increase our internet speed. So Betternet is a well-known VPN service for free. So I'm connected with the same network. I'm the only one who is connected with particular hotspot. No one else is connected with that particular hotspot. It's the only my laptop is connected with that particular hotspot. Here you can see it's a different IP address because of the VPN. And holy shit, it's taking a lot of time. Here is showing the Atlanta GA. So it's pinging right now 424. I don't think so that speed will be higher at all. So as you can see that we downgraded from the our original speed. So I don't think so that a VPN really worked. Maybe it worked for some time but not as regularly. So the best thing is that if you want a proper speed, continuous speed, do go with normal Jio without a VPN. So I'll test it again because I tested with GPO server twice, so I'll do with that particular thing too. So here you can see I'm connected with the VPN and on the same network. So actually I'm showing that on the same network because some people think that you change it or you do some kind of trick with it. So I'm not that kind of guy. I'll show you the proper thing in proper way, or I upload really less videos. So let's hop out of this. And here you can see I'm disconnecting it and exit. Then I'm connected with the same network again and I'm doing speed test once again on Jio network with no VPN connection. So that will be third time from my side for be sure, man, nothing else. So begin text. So I'm connected with Jio network as you can see there and Kolkata once again. So closer view to you guys. Wow, I'm getting better speed, more than 12 Mbps. So actually few weeks back, I mean 2 weeks back, I got a really better speed of around 29 to 35 Mbps and sometimes I got 40 Mbps. Now suddenly the number of users increases, that's why the speed is downgraded a bit in my view. So here you can see I tested it out a few weeks ago and gotten speed of 38 Mbps. So that's all from my side guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.